Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Row. In this video, we're going to be going over CSS line clamping and ellipsis. This is a handy technique for handling long text in your web design, so let's get started. Line clamping and ellipsis in CSS allows you to limit the number of lines in text displayed and add an ellipsis, where the text is too long to fit. This is particularly useful for maintaining a clean and professional look in your web design. We'll be working with HTML and CSS separately for clarity. So first, let's set up our HTML file. So over here, I have my index.html. And in my HTML, in the body tag, I'm just going to create a div with a class called container. And then I'll nest inside a div with a class called clamped text. And now I'm just going to copy some lorem ipsum text right into it, just like that. So now I'll hit Control Save and you'll see that my line, I'm going to have multiple lines on my right in my live server. And now let's switch on to the CSS and we'll apply line clamping and ellipsis here. So let's open our style.css, which is also connected over here by using a link to our style sheet, and the href is our style.css, which is in the same folder. And now I'll just start by styling our container a bit just to make it look nice. So I'll do something like a font family of Arial sans serif, a margin of 0, padding of 20 pixels to get away from the corner a bit, and a background color of a tinted white. And now in our container class that we created, let's do a max width of something like 600 pixels. And then I'm going to do a margin 0 auto, background color of white, and a padding of 20 pixels. And let's add a box shadow with a 0.1 transparency and a 10 pixel around it, just like that. So I'll make this a little smaller and I'll do this at max width of 400 pixels. And now in our clamped text class, I'm just going to do a font size of 16 pixels. Let's do a line height of something like 1.5, a max height of 4.5 EM. Overflow will be hidden, and a position of relative. So just like that. So now you'll see that we're actually getting stuff cut off. And now, after our clamp text class, we're going to add exactly that. So I'll do a dot clamp text colon after. And now I want to do content. And then in single quotes, I'm going to do dot 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 with a semicolon after it. And then I'll do a position of absolute. Bottom will be 0 and also right will be 0. And I'll just do a background color of white and a padding left of 10 pixels. So let Control Save. And now over here, you'll see that there is this dot dot dot. And currently I can't click on it to do anything. So what I need to do is add a WebKit specific type. I need to add a WebKit specific. So let me just go ahead and add that. And now I'll just call that clamped text again and just add some additional stuff. So I'll do a display of a dash WebKit box. And then I want to do a dash WebKit dash line dash clamp of 3. So this will determine the number of lines to show. And then I also want to do a WebKit box orient, which will be vertical. And I want to do something like an overflow hidden. So I'll hit Control Save. And now you'll see a dot 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 over here. And there you have it. With just a few lines of CSS, you can efficiently clamp text and add on ellipses to handle long content gracefully. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more coding tutorials. And until next time, happy coding. We can make this functional and click on it to do something like extend to see all the content using JavaScript. And I'll actually upload that in the JavaScript portion of my videos on my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching and happy coding.